Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the back camera glass on a Samsung S8. So the tools that we will need will be a razor blade of some sort and protective eyewear. And maybe some heat. So here's what my new glass looks like. It already has adhesive. You may need to add some adhesive depending on which one you bought. Either way, what we're going to do is heat up the back glass a little bit. You want to make sure not to add too much heat or else you could melt the camera. Once it's heated up a little bit, what you want to do is you want to use that razor blade to kind of pick out some of the glass. You can pick out every piece of glass one by one, but removing the adhesive strip will definitely help. Depending on how bad it is, you may have to replace that metal piece, but for this video, we won't be doing that. Another thing that a lot of people don't realize is that glass can get stuck in between here, so what you want to do is you want to play with the camera a little bit, but make sure not to scratch the camera lens too much. However, in this situation, the camera lens was damaged in the first place. But what you want to do is remove any glass that's in between this area, or else you may have issues focusing. Also, if your camera is not focusing properly, you may want to use a brush to brush out any of the remaining glass that's in the camera area, and use something like compressed air to blow out any other glass. Make sure to have some eye protection when doing this. So what we're going to do is clean up this little piece of glass, remove this adhesive, and we're going to set it down on the phone. Make sure to line it up properly or the glass could break fairly easily. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on Twitter at @MattofRWR. And feel free to follow me on the social media list above. Also subscribe to my channel so you can see more repair and review videos. And hit that bell button so then YouTube reminds you when those videos do come out. Thanks for watching.